Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove this rear wiper blade from a Kia Niro. So all you need is a new wiper blade. This one I bought as part of a set, including the front. I will put a link here or here. So all you need to do is take the wiper bit up and push it like this. That's it. See, you got this out. You see, you have here, this is what holds the wiper, so you need to put the wiper again. You need to put this one inside, downwards, and that's it. This is all you need to do to remove the wiper. Thank you very much.